Today we will discuss how to apply for financial aid in order to receive a student loan. In today's discussion, we will discuss how to apply for financial aid in order to receive a student loan. First, you will need to gather your data, create an FSA ID, fill out your FAFSA, which is the free application for federal student aid, review your financial aid offers, and then finally make an informed decision based upon the offers that you have received. First, you will need to gather your data. You will need your Social Security number or alien registration number, your federal tax information or tax returns, records of untaxed income, cash, savings, and checking account balances, investments other than the home in which you live in. Narrow down your college and/or career schools that you're interested in, because you're going to need to list this information on your financial aid application. If you do not have all your information yet, you can still start the process and come back and finish it later. You will need to get a PIN, which is an FSA ID, in order to apply for financial aid. You need to create an FSA ID in order to apply for financial aid. Have your Social Security number, cell phone, and email address handy. Then go to the studentaid.gov website and click the Create Account button. Helpful tips. Use an email address that is not a school email address, because you will be able to use this website after you graduate or cease to be enrolled in school at least half-time. You can only create one FSA ID for your Social Security number. You can only use the email address provided once on the FSA ID website. If your parent needs to also apply for an FSA ID, they will need to use a different email address to apply. There are question mark icons next to fields that can help guide you along the way while applying for financial aid. After you received your PIN, you should be able to start the aid application process. Go to the studentaid.gov website listed here and start your application for financial aid. You will need the data that you gathered earlier to apply, which is your Social Security number or alien registration number, federal tax information or tax returns, records of untaxed income, cash, savings, and checking account balances, investments other than the home in which you live, college and/or career schools that you are interested in. If you do not have all the data gathered, start the application process anyway, because you will be able to save your progress and the website will let you know what information is still needed. What happens after you apply for financial aid? You will receive an email within a few days letting you know that your application was processed. Your information will be sent to the college and/or career schools you listed on your application form. You will receive an aid offer from each college or career school you applied to listed on your financial aid application. The letter should state the amount of aid you could receive at that school. If your college or career school requests additional information, please make sure to respond to them in a timely manner. Review each financial aid offer and make an informed decision. The college or career school you have finally chosen needs to be informed of your decision to take their financial aid offer and attend their institution. If you do have to take out a student loan, that information will be listed on your financial aid offer letter. If this is your first time taking out a direct student loan, you will need to fill out a master promissory note, which is your application promise to pay for your student loan. You will also need to complete entrance counseling, which is to help you understand your obligations to repay your student loans. Some things to consider. If you are under the age of 24, a Parent Plus loan may be listed on your financial aid offer. This would mean your parent and/or legal guardian takes out the loan in their name and becomes responsible for paying that portion of the loan. Even though a Parent Plus loan may be listed on your financial aid offer, that does not mean that your parents will be eligible for the student loan, nor does it mean that your parent will agree to take out the loan. If this does happen, you can apply for additional financial aid, which is the form of unsubsidized direct loans, or take out a private loan to cover the gap in financial aid. There are limits on the amount in subsidized and unsubsidized loans that you may be eligible to receive each academic year. Your school will let you know if there are funds that a direct loan and/or financial aid won't cover, so that you know if you need to take out a private loan. What happens next? The school will first apply your loan funds to your student account to pay for tuition, fees, room and board, and any other school charges that are due. If any additional loan funds remain, they will be returned to you. All loan funds must be used for education expenses. When you receive your direct loan, you will be contacted by your loan servicer. Your loan servicer will provide you regular updates on the status of your direct loan. Please inform your servicer of any address, phone, or email address changes in a timely manner so that they can continue to keep you informed on the status of your direct loans. After you graduate, leave school, or drop below half-time enrollment, you will have a 6-month grace period before you are required to begin repayment. During this period, you will receive repayment information from your loan servicer, and you will be notified of your first payment due date. Payments are usually due on a monthly basis. I discussed repayment options in a prior presentation. Please visit that presentation for more information on your possible repayment options. Additional comments. Your school determines the loan types, if any, and the actual loan amount you are eligible to receive each academic year. The amount is determined based upon your cost of attendance and your other financial aid that you will receive. Apply now, don't wait. There are filing deadlines and you want to make sure you apply early to meet those deadlines in order to receive the best financial aid package available. In my upcoming presentations, I will discuss the following topics: student loan types and what are their differences, student loan consolidation and some things to consider, student loan forgiveness programs and whether or not you may be eligible for them, useful websites for student loans, and I will go into further detail of each repayment option that is available. In my prior presentations, I have discussed deferment and forbearance options and repayment options. If there's a topic in which you would like me to discuss, please list it below, and if enough people have requested that topic, I will do a presentation on it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the like and share button. Thank you, and until next time, thank you.